What makes a home improvement ad truly convert viewers into customers? It's not just about flashy visuals or clever taglines, there's one crucial element that makes all the difference. Hi, I'm Joe Thorpe, and after months of working closely with home improvement businesses, I've cracked the code on what drives high converting ads. In this video, I'll reveal that one secret ingredient and then show you how to implement it across all your online marketing to potentially 10x your advertising returns. Also, make sure to stay to the end for a valuable cheat sheet on how to implement everything we talk about today. Now let's get started and uncover that crucial factor. When considering an expensive service, what matters most? Is it price?
Come on, I ain't got that sort of money.
I'm not paying 13 quid.
No.
Is it how premium it looks?
This is one of our finest suites, sir.
No, that main factor is trust. Think about it. When selecting a restaurant or contractor, you check Google reviews. The same applies to your potential customers. So as a home improvement business owner, you need to step into their shoes. Home improvement services can be some of the most expensive purchases, so potential customers become cautious.
Little surprises around every corner, but nothing dangerous. Don't be alarmed.
And with many companies offering similar services, trust becomes the deciding factor.
In God's name, can I trust you?
Do you aim to gain people's trust in your ads? Or do you just try to show off how good your products, services and offers are? Well, don't worry, because I'm about to show you how to build trust on your social media pages, your website and your ads. And here's the best part. By watching this video, you're experiencing those trust building techniques. I'm applying the same strategies for my home improvement advertising agency. So here's my challenge to you. Watch this video to the end and then ask yourself if you would trust me more to deliver a successful home improvement advertising service. If the answer is yes, then you've seen firsthand how effective these methods can be. Now let's dive into the implementation. There are three main ways to gain people's trust in your home improvement ads, and they are showing your face and being authentic and friendly, which gains their trust in you as a person, showing your expertise and passion, which gains their trust in your skills and knowledge in your craft, and showing customer feedback, which gains their trust in the results that you provide. One of the most important things here is that you need to show and not tell. Don't tell people you've got friendly staff in your ad copy. Show your team being friendly in a video introducing everyone. Don't tell people you're an expert. Show them by walking them through how you're solving a problem on a video. By demonstrating your qualities, you can effectively convert viewers into loyal customers. Now I'm going to walk you through how to implement this in your social media posts. Now, most home improvement businesses miss out on these type of social media posts, even though they're the most effective and worthwhile ones to create. While your competitors mainly share posts of past jobs, you can gain a competitive advantage by creating posts that provide free value and show off your team's authentic selves. Now, the first post is a team photo, and if you don't already have one like this on your page, I would highly recommend to just go and take a photo of you and your team.
Alright, I'm just going to take it on three whether you smile or not. 1, 2, 3.
And introduce everyone in the caption. This shows to prospects that you're not a big, faceless, soulless company, but a team of friendly and trustworthy people.
You'll find we're friendly people.
And the next post is a company qualities video where you basically want to record yourself highlighting the top qualities and benefits of your business. You want to show your enthusiasm in this video and let viewers know why they should pick you. Given a specific number of reasons, like top 3 for example, is more intriguing. And the next post is an industry tips video where you basically want to share tips related to your industry.
Yeah, no shit, Sherlock.
Providing free value like this proves you're an expert and it builds trust. An example for, say, a flooring company could be giving tips on cleaning and maintaining floors or even choosing them. And the next video is an on-the-job video where you basically want to record yourself on the job, either completing a task or solving a problem and walking the viewer through it. This demonstrates your expertise and passion. Now, the next video is a product showcase video where you basically want to show off some of the materials or products that you fit, which could be flooring materials, decking materials, or different kitchen and bathrooms. And then the final post is past job photos. So I know that I was criticising home improvement businesses that only post these type of photos.
Oh my god, you're such a hypocrite!
But with all those other posts, it is still important to have some photos of finished products so the viewers can get an idea of what their job might look like. But one thing to add to these posts is adding a few photos of your team on the job or with the finished floor. So they are my top home improvement social media posts. I know many of them are videos which you might not be used to recording, but they are by far the best way to build trust. And since many people don't want to record them, those who do gain a huge competitive advantage. And after recording a few videos, you'll get the hang of it anyway. When I recorded my first video like this, it felt really weird, but now it just feels completely normal. Now let's move on to social media ads. When it comes to your social media ads, based on my experience, video ads consistently outperform photo ads, often receiving a huge amount more engagement and conversion rates. For your ad creative, consider repurposing your video posts. They're already optimized to engage your audience effectively. These 3 videos are, in my opinion, the best videos to use for your ads. They're all some of the most engaging videos, and if you use a combination of these videos for 3 different ads running at the same time, then viewers get to see many different parts of your business. My personal favourite for video ads is this company qualities video, since you're literally giving people some direct reasons why they should choose you for their service. And if these reasons are compelling enough, the viewer's likely to go ahead with it. Ad copy is next, and I've got an example here which I'll quickly go over. Now, if your video for your ad is good enough, then you don't have to worry too much about trying to gain trust in your ad copy. All you should really focus on is telling them how good your Google and Facebook reviews are, along with emphasizing your team's years of experience, demonstrated here on this ad copy. For the rest of the copy, you want to craft a compelling hook that resonates with your target audience. You want to clearly outline your unique offer and what makes your company exceptional. And then you want to end with a strong call to action, incorporating urgency or scarcity to drive immediate action. Now, I'm not going to go any deeper into the whole ad copy, since for this video we're focusing on trust building elements. But if you want to see me go over this same ad copy in more depth, then make sure to watch the full Facebook ad tutorial I've linked in the description, where I create a Facebook ad from scratch based on one of my real home improvement clients' ads, which generated a 60x return on advertising spend. Next, we're going to talk about the offer. Now, while an offer doesn't inherently build trust, it can be a powerful tool to further establish credibility with your prospects. Here's how you can leverage it effectively. If you're not keen on offering regular discounts or bonuses, then try using a lead magnet. A lead magnet is a free resource or service designed to capture contact details. So instead of promoting your main service up front, start by offering a compelling lead magnet related to your industry. For instance, you could create a flooring guide or a guide for any of the products or services that you sell. And to make this guide valuable, you want to solve a small problem that the prospect might have. Like in our example, struggling to choose a flooring option. This guide showcases your expertise while providing genuine value.
So I'm a really big expert on all this. I know.
In my advertising agency, we've built up a collection of these free resources that can be rebranded for our home improvement clients to be used as an offer in their ads. By offering such valuable resources, you build trust with potential customers, and they're likely to contact you when they need the service. And your website is a critical marketing tool. Here's how you can optimize it for building trust and converting viewers into customers. Well, firstly, you want to personalize it with team photos. Replace all the generic stock photos that most companies use and give your brand that really personal feel with photos of real people. This humanizes your brand and makes it more relatable to customers. And next, you want to showcase genuine customer testimonials and case studies. It's well worth going out of your way to make this look really good and show all the different steps from a job so customers can be put at ease that you know what you're doing. And next is to make sure you've got clear contact info and calls to action on your page. Make sure this information is prominently displayed on your website since it's the most important. And make sure your calls to action are super clear and simple so viewers know exactly what to do if they want to go further with your services. Next is educational content and resources. You want to offer these valuable resources that are related to your industry. This could include a guide on choosing your materials, maintenance tips, or even a DIY guide. Like our lead magnet guide for our social media ads, this educational content positions you as an authority in your field, and it builds trust with potential customers. The final thing to add to your website is a visual portfolio of projects. Make sure this includes high quality photos, videos, or descriptions. You can highlight key features, challenges overcome, and client satisfaction to build even more trust. And there you have it. Effective strategies for advertising your home improvement business that actually converts customers. Throughout this video, we've explored the power of authenticity, expertise demonstration, and customer testimonials in gaining the trust of your potential customers. Remember, building trust is the cornerstone of success in the home improvement industry. And as we wrap up, reflect on the question I asked earlier. After watching this video, do you now feel more confident in trusting me to deliver a successful home improvement advertising service? If so, you've seen firsthand how these strategies work and you have proof that it can work for your business. If you are interested in learning more about the services I provide, then check out the links below. To thank you for staying to the end, I've linked my free trust building cheat sheet right at the bottom of the description, so go down there and download it. It lays out the most important parts of this video in a really straightforward structure. And if this video has been valuable to you, consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any new insights or tutorials that can elevate your home improvement marketing efforts. Until next time, keep building trust and gaining loyal customers.